Good morning, YouTubers. I'm at another stop here in Ashtabula County. This is one of the Ashtabula County Metro Parks. It's the Ashtabula Metro Parks Western Reserve Greenway Trail. And I know this is not coming in the clearest, but this thing is a long and windy trail. It is it goes all the way up into the city of Ashtabula from Trumbull County. It is looks like almost 26 miles long. So we're not walking this one today, but I wanted to just kind of show this. This used to be a railway. It was then abandoned and then turned into, they removed the tracks and paved over it. And as you can see, it is a long way down there. And we can go walk a little bit of it and check this out. So this is this part of this access is at the Eagleville Jefferson Road trailhead, elevation of 806 feet. And I think we'll take a walk down to this first bridge. Check this out. This is I hear a dog yipping in the background. This is a good spot actually to take your dog for a walk. It's also a very good biking trail. This would be something more that you'd want to do with a bike. Now, from talking to the Metro Parks Park Ranger, I've heard this has been a nightmare for patrolling, and as you get up into more of the city area of Ashtabula, not so much out here at this part, but that there has been homeless camps popping up along here. And so this is literally just a straight shot. There's no loop arounds, nothing. And the Metro Parks just owns a narrow, just what would have been the railroad property. It's a pretty cool area. And 26 miles, geez, that would be something. Yeah, that would be something more that you would want to spend a day on a bike doing, as opposed to necessarily walking this. Again, this nice smooth path. But there's some nice bridges on this. I have heard. I haven't really got to ever check this out. And so we're just going to go to the first bridge. And this has all just been some of my adventures off of Route 45 today. I have some other videos of some places off of Route 45. This area of Ashtabula County is just filled with a lot of beauty. There's a little stream running down here, a little valley. Again, going out into the nature parts of this is the kind of stuff that I like. You can see there's people up there with their dogs even coming this way. Does look like that's people are heading down there into that area. But I'm not gonna try to venture off this because I don't know who owns the property off of this, but it does look like this little stream winds back there. And as we get over to an open area, we'll check this out. And this is kind of an impromptu hike. So I'm not sure if this is the Mill Creek or part of, I am just north of Rock Creek. This is definitely one of the Grand River tributaries. So we'll just get some shots of some beautiful scenery over here. This is kind of neat because this is an old railroad bridge. It's now turned into a nice trail, a paved one. So I believe this is Morgan Township. Really cool area here. I'm impressed. And again, the pathway is it's straight and goes on forever. It's then 26 miles long. So if you're walking this, man, I don't think you're gonna make it in a day. So it does look like a cool place to, if you got the time to, or you wanted to bike this, cool place to check out. All right, hope you like this video. Drop comments in what you think of this. My county is just full of some beautiful and fascinating places. Thank you for coming along on the journey, exploring these with me. So please like, subscribe, and share. All right, God bless you and enjoy the day.